guys are all doing great. I am actually filming this on a Sunday, but not sure when I will get it posted. So happy football day today. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video. Thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So I'm so excited. I haven't received this box for a while, and I hadn't really seen that many YouTubers unbox it as well. And then all of a sudden, I just saw a couple. So it is my mix and match box. It's a great box. It's a clothing box. And I will have to check. I haven't gotten it for a while, so I don't know what the styling fee is. Usually they send you 7 pieces, and if you purchase 5, you get the discount. So they give you more of a choice. I think they're a little more inexpensive than Stitch Fix, but let's get into it. You open it up. See if I can pick up this heavy box. And the wrapping is just so nice. So I'm gonna unwrap it. I really don't know what's in here. You work with your stylist. Mine is Alexis, and she does an awesome job. I usually get at least 3 to 5 pieces every time she sends me a box. She's got my fit issues down. So let me get the paperwork out. They send you a really nice envelope of paperwork. It's got the pricing in here, and they have 2 different types of boxes. You can get, I think the one where you pay like 100 and something, they send you so many pieces and you just keep them. Or the one I get where you pay by the piece. So it's a free return. This one is UPS. And then she sends you the note. And I'm not going to read the note. You do have 5 days to return it. And you just shoot her an email saying what you're going to return. We also have a 3-month no interest auto pay plan, which we can talk about once you decide. New policy, you only must keep 5 and more to get the 25% discount. And I was paying, I want to say like $5 styling fee. Let me just, I'm looking in here. The styling fee is $20, so it's just kind of like Stitch Fix, and it will go towards what you purchase. And then if you don't purchase anything, you lose the $20. But that's typical of styling boxes now. So the first thing that looks adorable is the All in Favor. It's a thin tie front t-shirt or sweater, but look at the sleeves. How nice are those sleeves? And I don't know if you can see the tie in the front, and the sleeves have the different stitching. So how fun is this? Now this is in a large, and I hope I can fit. I seem to be growing. I don't know why, but I seem to be getting larger. So that's really pretty. The next thing is interesting as well. How fun is the Sweet Clear, and it is a size large. And it's got the I think they're the same in the front, but look at the sleeve, it's just this fun red. I'm not a big red wearer, but because it's not like all over, this could be fun. Okay, and the next, oh, there's a bunch of stuff in here. I just have to figure out what I got. This is the Les Amis, and I can't figure it out. Oh dear. Okay. It's got the, you see the black at the bottom? When I try it on, you'll be able to see more. And it's got the black in the back. How Thanksgiving is this? That's really cool. Okay. So far, Alexis, you're doing an awesome job, because I let her know that I don't need super thick sweaters, but I do need long sleeves. This looks like a cardigan, and this is Azulis. It's a size large, and it's an olive cardigan. But again, it's a very light cardigan, something I can throw on with the t-shirt. So I'm liking that. Another bundle. No. Oh. There's another, oh. More paperwork. And see what's in this bundle. So if you'd like to list below if you have a favorite football team, baseball team. I know some people aren't in sports. If you're not into sports, how about your favorite store to shop at? Okay, wow. This is by Debut. It's a small medium, but it must run big. It's really soft. It's like a mauve color. Wow. That is pretty. And then, of course, the pair of jeans, and they are a boot cut. And she sized up in these, which is good. So they're actually a 10. I normally wear an 8. And I'm looking for the name. Oh, they're Dear John. And we like Dear John. So they're just a plain boot cut jean. Can't wait for the try on. And she was talking about this. I think I saw it on somebody's channel. And she said there were only 3 left. But it's a moto jacket. It's not leather, it's Liverpool, Los Angeles. This is an extra large, which is fine because it's got to be able to go over stuff. And does the bottom zip off? It looks big, but again, if I wear it over a sweater. So what did you think of all those fun pieces? Give me a second and I'll be back with the try-on. Okay, I'm back with the first outfit. I'm wearing the Les Amis burgundy long sleeve back contrast detailed top and the Dear John Sloan boot color jeans. The jeans are a little tight, but let me know what you think of the sweater. I'm gonna lower you a little bit. So these are the cool sleeves. See if I can get closer. And then there's the bow tie, or the tie. Of course, there's my belly because the jeans are kind of pushing it up. And here's the back. I like this sweater. It feels comfortable. I'll probably have to wash it on delicate because I can't afford for it to shrink. And then I'll show you the pants. Again, they're a 10, but they must run small. Let's hope they do, because they're a little tight here and they've got a huge boot cut. I didn't put any boots on because I'm not sure about these, but let me know. Oop, put you back up. Let me know what you think. And while I have this sweater on, I'm gonna throw on that cool jacket. This is the jacket, and of course everything's covered up so that it doesn't get ruined. And I'm pretty sure that the zipper comes off the bottom, which is pretty neat. And see if I can zip it. There we go. So let me know what you think of this jacket. Oh, I'm sorry, I probably should tell you the name of it again. This is the Liverpool black faux leather zip off moto jacket. So yeah, it must zip off. So kind of like this. I'll be right back with the next outfit. Okay, I am back with the roasted pink V-neck knit pullover, and I love this one because it's a small medium. I'm just going to walk around with the tags. So, it seems to fit good. I still have on the pants. It's got the super comfortable, easy to pull over. Perfect for this weather. And wear some jewelry, but again, it's just simple, very casual. So let me know what you think. I'll be right back with the next top. I kind of mixed up my sweaters. This is actually the Les Amis burgundy long sleeve with the back. And the other one I had on was the wine long sleeve pullover with the tie. This is too small because it's just really crushing the ladies in. I do like it. I'd have to see if she has it in a larger size, but look at the back, it's so cute. It's like the perfect Thanksgiving top. I do like it, but again, I would definitely need, the sleeves are a little tight and up here's a little tight, but let me know what you guys think of this top. So I have a couple more and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the last two pieces. I've got the Azules olive long sleeve open front cardigan in a large, and the Sweet Claire floral print raglan top in a large. So this is the cardigan. I like this. I'm not sure how the color looks on me, if it washes me out. But let me know what you think. Again, this is just, I can throw this on when we go somewhere that's air conditioned. It's just a little tight in the sleeves, but I am wearing this top that definitely looks hideous on me. So it's like a baseball tee style, but I don't like it. It first of all, it's too tight. And I just, yeah, it's not really doing anything for my skin tone or even how it looks. But as always, let me know what you think. I'm gonna have to look at everything back in the video so I can decide, but I'll be right back with the recap. Okay, I am back with the recap. What did you think of my first mix and match in a while? I think Alexis did a great job. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces in this box. The total comes to $327, which is not bad because of the leather jacket or fake leather jacket. If I were to keep everything and got the 25% discount, that brings $81.75 off. And I don't see about the styling fee, but if I bought all 7, it brings it to $245, and I'm not sure about the styling fee. But anyway, it was a great fix. I left the shirt on because this is definitely not going to be a keeper. And let's go over the pricing. The Dear John pants, I would have to size up. As much as I hate to say it because they must run small, I would have to size up. And they are $78 or $88, I'm sorry. They would be $88, which is typical for those pants. The roasted pink V-neck knit pullover, I really like that one. That would be $39. The burgundy with the back detail, I would definitely have to size up, see if they have it. But that is $34. So the prices so far are really good. The faux leather zip up sells for $119, which I figured. And the wine long sleeve pullover with the tie, I really like that one. That one's $36. The Azulis olive long sleeve cardigan is $28. And this print top is $32. So the prices are great. Again, it's just to have a few sizing issues. So if I keep 5, I would get a discount. And so I just need to know what you guys think looked good on me. I'm gonna go back and watch the video so I can see. But as always, please comment, and you guys have an awesome day.